Hello all. Today I am going to discuss about this Java secure coding rule IDS01-J that basically states that we should normalize the strings before we validate them. Now, why is validation necessary? Validation prevents the string based attacks such as cross-site scripting or SQL injection that depend upon what string the user has input. Also, validation acts as a blacklisting mechanism. We rule out the possible bad string inputs, and thus it acts as a useful part of security strategy. Now, why should we normalize? The character information in Java is based on the Unicode standard. In this Unicode standard, same string can have different representations, but if we normalize those strings, then these normalized forms are assured to have unique binary representations. So basically we should normalize the strings before we validate them, because if we normalize them after validating, then there is no point, as in we'll just see an example related to that. Okay, so in what the approach that I have taken is there is this normalizer.normalize method that transforms the Unicode text into the standard normalization forms, and the normalization form that is taken into consideration by my program is normalization form KC, that is KC. Okay, so this is the program. Okay, so this one is the non-compliant code, as in this one does not follow the rule that we should normalize the strings before validating them. Rather, this program normalizes the strings after we validate them. This is the normalization part, whereas this is the validation part. Okay, so what my program does is it declares a string S. This is /ufe64. This is the malicious script that the attacker may introduce, and /ufe65. Okay, so this uefe64 is for the left angle bracket, and ufe65 is for the right angle bracket. Okay, so this is the pattern that I declare that I have to check for angle brackets in the script, in the user input string that the user has input. Okay, then there is the matcher, pattern.matcher. It matches it with the given string. Okay, if matcher.find, if it is found in the matcher, it is found in the blacklisted tag, it throws an exception, and in the exception it prints out invalid input, probable attack. Else, if the string is good to go, then it prints out string accepted. And after that, just for showing how normalized form works, I have normalized this string, this string, and output it. So when I run this program, see, this string contains these angle brackets. This ufe64 and fe65 stand for angle brackets in Unicode, but my program was not able to recognize them, and the string was accepted because see, normalized string is this angle bracket script angle bracket. Okay, so this is not we want. Okay, so what we should do, we should normalize them before validating. So this is the compliant code, and if see here I have done the normalization, and later on is the validation part. This is the validation. So basically normalization is done before validation, and thus the rest of the attack, the rest of the program is same, as in it matches, it declares a pattern and then it matches. If the pattern is found, then it throws an exception, else the string is accepted. So when I run this program, you will notice that the normalized string is the same as the previous program, and it prints the invalid input, probable attack. So this is what we want. We do not want any this proves that we should normalize the strings before validating them, because normalization creates unique binary representations that can be validated. We cannot validate each and every part of that each we cannot validate each and every representation. Thus normalization before validation is necessary, and hope you will incorporate it into your coding. Thank you so much.